the way from Bolivia. We are running across the region. We have Leslie Serna. She's one of our brand new Google developer expert in machine learning. Co-founder, mentor her project to encourage girls to join the careers. Mentor at Udacity's nano degree of business analytics, international speaker, TEDx speaker in 2019, blogger at Medium, Leslie Sandra, about tips, trips, and tech, instructor and professor at Catholic University in Bolivia, ambassador and coordinator for City AI in Latin America. So, welcome.
Hello everyone. I'm super happy to be here and to be able to join this panel with such amazing people and talk a little bit about what are startups in Latin America. I think most of you have checked already during the day how does it look, the ecosystem, with different startups, with different initiatives from people, from governments, universities. I've been working the last year as a regional coordinator for this organization, CDAI, which is based in the Netherlands. And we have been searching how is it going with the AI education and with the AI startups. So let me tell you a little bit about it. Now, how is it going in Latin America? Maybe focus a little bit more into the south. So I'm going to tell you about this. One study from 2018 from Endeavor has shown how AI is impacting different startups. As you can see, we can see actually enterprise software and services are more impacted, a little bit into retail, manufacturing, IoT, and so on. Let me tell you a little bit about highlighted Latin AI startups. Here we have a couple of them from South America mainly, well, here one from Mexico, that are using AI as a core in their startup or as a tool in their startup actually. I would like to point here what is in Bolivia. It is almost ready to be launched by the end of this year, an AI-powered online learning platform that's going to be focused on teaching kids from 5 to 17 about AI concepts. But also, from nice friends of mine, Kiwi in Colombia, they are working with autonomous delivery robots. They are using a lot of TensorFlow, a lot of AI. They have these delivery robots in different universities in the US. And also, Colombia is developing a lot of strategies to go into more AI. As we saw this morning with CIFAR, actually the different countries are getting organized to start working into their AI strategy, right? And as we've seen during the day as well, for Mexico, they already have been working on a strategy. But also, I want to point out how it's going in South America. As we can see here, we have this list on the line trying to work in how they are going to apply the different AI strategies so far. But to the date, we actually have Brazil, Uruguay, and Chile that are already working on these different strategies. Also, I would like to point out a little bit about the skills of the future of the work, which is more to AI related and to the startups. As we have seen during the talks in Mexico, they are already working hard to get into the academia, into the industry, and so far. In Colombia, actually they have this group, this organization, which is Colombian AI, and also coming soon in late September, Colombia 4.0, which is trying to get more people in touch with what is AI. And they are organizing this event, as I mentioned, in late September, and Andrew Ng is going there to Bogota to also talk about what is AI doing in the world. As well in Bolivia, we are working some strategies to work and to get more people involved into this. So let me tell you a little bit about the talent and what the CDAI is. Actually, we are a community, we are all volunteers. This is an apply, where actually the mission is to enable more people to get in touch with what is the apply AI. So we are working onto the ecosystem. We are actually in over 70 plus cities. We have over 300 local volunteers. We are trying to grow and to get to different countries to talk a bit more about what AI is and how we can impact different countries. But also, we are working into the education in the awareness, as we can see here. We are trying to organize different meetups, different workshops. Actually, in some places nearby, some cities in Asia, they have been actually doing some boot camps, so to train more people into data science and some basics in machine learning. As well in Latin America, we have been working with different meetups, with different workshops, and now we are having the data science days, where we are trying to collect as much thesis from different students where they have been using machine learning or data science, so they can present what they have been doing so far and encourage more people into the research, but also into the industry, because it's important that what they are searching, they can actually apply to the industry. So here you can see a map. Well, it's a bit unupdated. We have already chilled into our city AI, and as you can see, we have few cities in Latin America. We are mainly based in South America. We have this good movement in Colombia, in Bolivia, in Argentina, Brazil, and Chile. But also, talking about talent development, not only the city AI with the professional approach, but also different initiatives which are actually civil organizations that are trying to educate people into basics, into data science, and as well machine learning, such as School of AI, which is all around Latin America and as well. And also we have this other organization which is Women in Machine Learning and Data Science. This is actually around the globe, and we are trying to look forward to involve more women into what is the knowledge of machine learning and data science. Because of this mainly, this is a research from 2018 on LinkedIn that is showing the 5 countries leading this AI movement and development. And as you can see, even in these countries, we have little women participation on it. So imagine how is it in Latin America, and look around here at the conference, how many women are around. But it's very important for us to encourage not only women, but also different backgrounds. So we need people from Africa, from Latin America, involved into AI development, involved into AI teaching and learning. And well, as you can see, this is a part of the ecosystem we have been working so far as volunteers in a different group organizations. And we are looking forward to get to know more about the different organizations you have been working on, to the different startups, to try to connect and try to develop more strategies together. Thank you.